Arditas, what are you girls doing here? You don't even deserve the new fidgets. They're always mean to their brothers, to their brother Burrito. That's why they don't deserve it, but I guess I'll just give them some fidgets. Let's get the marble. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. I guess it's over. So it looks like Arita's get the new fidgets. Come on. This guy is this octopus reversible, a Rubik's Cube, a pea popper, a cod mochi, and some slime. So Arditas, come back. Oh, 3 of you triplet Arditas, come back and tell your friends. And they used to be 2, but now there's 1, and she is powerful. So bye.